we hear a lot from people who are really interested in trying to figure out how to work in this space.
Yeah.
And so I'd love to hear a little bit about, your story and what advice you might have for people who are looking to sort of get in this field where, you have this mix of sort of the business and the social.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's funny because I've been with the company for 21 years, most of it, 17 years of it in marketing. And it wasn't until the tail end here currently that I've stumbled on sustainability. And honestly, it was one of those situations where I loved marketing, and there's no better place to do marketing than the Coca-Cola company. There were very exciting things that we could do, partnering with FIFA World Cup and activating properties like the Olympic Games and having a global scope. So it wasn't until I saw the other end of how much you could actually do from a sustainability perspective and marrying that up with marketing that I could really see my role within sustainability. And marrying sustainability and marketing is just a match made for me. And the advice I'd give to anybody going into this space is to be well grounded in business. So the past 20 years helped me understand what the business bottom line drivers are. So not just taking the social aspect, but really taking the business angle and figuring out how to marry that up. Because unless you start from a business mindset, you're not going to get the traction you need. You're going to sound a little bit more like an empty voice. But unless you can put it into business terms and unless you can bring the business case to fruition, you're not going to be able to make the traction that you need to move a huge company like ours and to be able to speak in terms that really help sell your case.